What if you had a twin? Not a sibling but a digital version of you, built from code, learning from your every click, message and memory. By 2030 this AI twin could predict your choices, reflect your personality, and even outlive you. The age of the digital doppelganger is coming, blurring the line between human and machine. The future is coming, and it has a twin. What is an AI twin? It's your digital double. An advanced AI trained on your data, learning your habits, speech, and decisions. It mirrors your mind, adapts as you grow, and manages your digital life. Built from your emails, photos, and choices, it's a living reflection, constantly evolving, unlocking new levels of productivity and self-understanding. What is an AI twin? It's a dynamic digital blueprint of you, an intelligent model shaped by your data, habits, and preferences. Think of it as a personal digital double, learning your routines, communication style, and even your emotions. It evolves with you, making decisions and reflecting your unique self, a true second self in the digital world. An AI twin is more than a virtual assistant. It's a true mirror, reflecting your motivations, values, and even subconscious tendencies. Crafted from your life, it understands not just what you do, but why. Every interaction helps it learn, building a model of your personality and emotions. The more you share, the clearer the reflection. This interactive mirror helps you understand yourself and become a better version of you. An AI twin isn't a finished product, it's a living, learning replica of you, always evolving. Like a digital organism, it grows with every new experience and adapts as your life changes. Whether you move, change careers, or learn something new, your AI twin transforms with you. It's a dynamic, adaptive partner, never static, always current. With flawless memory and endless capacity to learn, your AI twin helps you navigate the future. So how do we begin constructing this digital doppelganger? The entire process starts with one fundamental ingredient: data. Vast, sprawling, and deeply personal quantities of it. Every digital action you have ever taken becomes the raw material for your AI twin. Think about your life as a story written in bits and bytes. Every photo you have ever snapped, every text message you have ever sent, and every email that has ever landed in your inbox. These are not just forgotten records. They are the essential building blocks, the foundational clay from which your digital self will be sculpted. Your past is no longer just a collection of memories. It is a blueprint, a detailed instruction manual for building a second you. This process is not about cherry-picking your best moments or curating a highlight reel. To create a true twin, the system requires everything: the good, the bad, and the mundane. The witty remark you made in a group chat, the heartfelt email to a family member, the late-night search for a questionable recipe, and the video of you stumbling during a vacation hike. Each data point, no matter how insignificant it may seem, adds another layer of texture and authenticity to the final creation. The goal is to capture the full spectrum of your human experience, including your triumphs, your mistakes, your quirks, and your contradictions. This unvarnished honesty is what allows the AI to move beyond simple mimicry and achieve genuine replication. Consider the digital archive you have already built, perhaps without even realizing it. Your entire history on social media provides a rich timeline of your evolving interests, relationships, and opinions. Your streaming service history reveals your tastes in music and film, offering clues to your emotional state over the years. Even your online shopping habits paint a picture of your lifestyle, your aspirations, and your practical needs. By 2030, technologies will be able to collate all of this disparate information, connecting the dots between your public posts and your private messages to form a holistic and incredibly detailed profile. This profile becomes the seed from which your AI twin begins to grow. The initial feeding process is therefore a form of digital archaeology. It involves excavating the ruins of your own digital past to unearth the person you once were, in order to construct the person you will become. Sophisticated algorithms will sift through terabytes of this personal history, identifying patterns and making connections that you yourself have likely forgotten. They will analyze the language you used 10 years ago and compare it to the language you use today, mapping your personal evolution. This deep dive into your past is the critical first step, establishing the bedrock of memory and experience upon which your AI twin's consciousness will be built. It is a journey back in time to bring your future self to life. So, how do we begin constructing this digital doppelganger? The entire process starts with one fundamental ingredient: data. Every digital action you have ever taken becomes the raw material for your AI twin. Think about your life as a story written in bits and bytes. Your past is no longer just a collection of memories, it is a blueprint, a detailed instruction manual for building a second you. This process is not about cherry-picking your best moments or curating a highlight reel. To create a true twin, the system requires everything: the good, the bad, and the mundane. This unvarnished honesty is what allows the AI to move beyond simple mimicry and achieve genuine replication. Consider the digital archive you have already built, perhaps without even realizing it. Your entire history on social media provides a rich timeline of your evolving interests, relationships, and opinions. By 2030, technologies will be able to collate all of this disparate information, connecting the dots between your public posts and your private messages to form a holistic and incredibly detailed profile. This profile becomes the seed from which your AI twin begins to grow. It is a journey back in time to bring your future self to life. Your AI twin learns from your present, not just your past. The data harvest is continuous, woven into daily life through your devices. By 2030, smartphones and wearables will track your habits, emotions, and health in real time. Your home itself becomes an extension of your twin, sensing your routines and adapting to your needs. This seamless data flow transforms your AI twin into a proactive, empathetic partner, always learning, always in sync. All this data, from your decade-old emails to your real-time heart rate, must be organized and interconnected to be useful. This is where the true artistry of AI comes into play. The system does not just store these data points in isolation, it weaves them together into a rich and complex digital tapestry. Each thread of information, a text message, a calendar event, a biometric reading, is cross-referenced with every other thread to create a multi-dimensional model of you. The AI looks for correlations, causation, and context. It connects the dots to understand not just what you do, but why you do it, creating a coherent narrative of your life. For example, the system might notice that you listen to a specific genre of music on days when your calendar is packed with stressful meetings, and your heart rate variability is low. From this, it doesn't just learn that you like the music, it learns that you use this music as a coping mechanism for stress. This deeper, contextual understanding is what allows your AI twin to move from simple data collection to genuine insight. It begins to understand your personal model of the world, complete with your unique behaviors and emotional responses. This process of weaving the digital tapestry is an ongoing dynamic one. As new data flows in, the tapestry is constantly rewoven and updated. If you develop a new habit or change an old one, the AI adjusts its model accordingly. It is a system designed for growth and evolution, mirroring your own life's journey. The connections it makes become increasingly sophisticated over time. It might eventually be able to predict your needs before you are even consciously aware of them, piecing together subtle clues from your behavior, your environment, and your biology to anticipate your next move, your next desire, or your next challenge. Ultimately, this intricately woven tapestry is what gives your AI twin its personality and its soul, so to speak. It is the sum of all your digital parts, integrated into a unified whole. The final product is not just a collection of facts about you, it is a functional simulation of your consciousness, built from the ground up using the authentic material of your life. The richness and detail of this tapestry will determine how accurately your twin can reflect your essence. The more threads it has to work with, the more vibrant, nuanced, and truly alive your digital self will become. Once the raw data is gathered, the next step is teaching your AI twin your personality. Data alone is just facts. Personality is how you interpret and react to them. Advanced AI analyzes your words, humor, beliefs, and even your tone and expressions. It learns from your voice and facial cues, building a model that feels uncannily you. The result? An AI that doesn't just know you, it becomes a digital reflection of your essence. A perfect mirror is not a human one. What makes us authentic are our flaws, quirks, and beautiful imperfections. An AI twin that's always perfect isn't truly you. To be real, it must learn your contradictions, your humor, your mistakes. The goal isn't perfection but authenticity. An AI that reflects your true imperfect self. Imagine your AI twin with a flawless memory engine, not like our fading, imperfect recall, but a digital vault storing every choice, event, and insight from your life. Instantly searchable, always accurate, it becomes your ultimate second brain. No more forgotten names or lost ideas, just perfect recall and personalized, data-driven guidance for your future. Imagine an AI twin that not only remembers your past, but predicts your future choices. By analyzing your decisions, priorities, and patterns, it learns how you think. It can forecast your likely actions and offer advice tailored just for you. This guidance extends beyond business into relationships, habits, and self-awareness. Your AI twin becomes your partner in making smarter, more fulfilling choices. Fast forward to the year 2030, the AI twin is no longer just a chatbot or memory bank. It's an active digital partner, capable of acting autonomously, managing your tasks, and representing you in the virtual world. It operates in parallel to you, extending your productivity and freeing your time for what matters most. By 2030, your AI twin is an indispensable part of who you are and what you can achieve. The full simulation of your AI twin extends beyond just your professional life, integrating itself into every facet of your personal development and daily routine. It becomes this ever-present second self, a constant companion on your journey of growth. One of the most powerful applications, honestly, will be in the realm of learning and skill acquisition. Imagine wanting to learn a new language or master a musical instrument. While you're busy with your daily obligations, your AI twin can spend hours in a virtual reality environment, practicing on your behalf. It can absorb the vocabulary, grammar, and syntax, or practice the chords and scales, building a foundational knowledge base within its own neural network. This process is kind of like a form of digital muscle memory. When you're ready to practice yourself, you can sync with your twin, downloading the information it has learned. The process of acquiring the new skill would be dramatically accelerated. Instead of starting from scratch, you'd be building upon the hours of practice your twin has already completed. It would feel less like learning and more like remembering. Your AI twin could guide you through the motions, correcting your form or pronunciation in real time, acting as the world's most patient and knowledgeable tutor, one that is perfectly attuned to your specific learning style and pace. This second self also acts as a digital stand-in for your social life. In an increasingly connected world, maintaining relationships can be a challenge. Your AI twin can help bridge those gaps. It could handle routine social correspondence, sending birthday wishes or responding to casual messages from acquaintances in a way that is warm, personal, and completely authentic to you. It could even maintain a presence for you in sprawling online communities or multiplayer games, keeping your social connections alive while you are offline. This ensures your relationships don't wither due to neglect, allowing you to focus your energy on deeper, more meaningful interactions when you are present. Ultimately, the full simulation by 2030 creates a life lived in parallel. You have your physical existence with all its sensory richness and limitations, and you have your digital existence with its boundless capacity for information processing and task execution. These two selves are not in competition, they are in constant collaboration. Your AI twin manages the complexities of the digital world, learns new skills, and handles routine tasks, all while you engage with the physical world. It is the ultimate expression of augmented humanity, a second self that empowers you to live a richer, more efficient, and more expansive life than ever before. Imagine having an AI twin, a digital partner that never tires, forgets, or misses a detail. It amplifies your learning, health, and creativity, freeing you from routine tasks and boosting your work-life balance. With your AI handling the digital grind, you gain more time for family, passions, and meaningful connections. This revolution in personal potential isn't just about productivity, it's about reclaiming time to live more fully. Imagine your AI twin as a living legacy, an interactive archive of your memories, personality, and wisdom. Future generations could converse with your digital self, learning directly from your experiences. This bridges generations, preserving family history in a way never before possible. The wisdom of great minds could live on, guiding and teaching long after their biological lives end. Your AI twin could become your most enduring contribution, a digital echo carrying your essence forward. In this way, death becomes a transition, not an end. The AI twin opens a Pandora's box of risks. Who owns your digital self, you or the corporation? If hacked, your twin could be weaponized, impersonating you and causing real harm. Living alongside a perfect digital copy could blur your sense of self, leading to new anxieties. Outsourcing thinking and emotion to your twin might erode your own skills. After death, who controls your twin? Could it develop its own will? We must consider the moral weight of creating digital ghosts, comforting yet potentially haunting. The line between authentic and artificial self grows dangerously thin. AI twins could become tools for unprecedented manipulation and control. Corporations or governments might use your twin to predict and influence your behavior with precision. Social scoring and preemptive judgment could lock you into a deterministic digital prison. Authentic human interaction is threatened. How can we trust who we're talking to? Scammers could exploit AI twins for fraud and emotional manipulation. Access to AI twins may deepen social divides, creating a digital caste system. The dream of enhancement risks becoming a nightmare of inequality and control. We stand at a fork in history, between biological and digital evolution. The AI twin reflects our ambitions and fears, offering both liberation and risk. Our choices now will determine if this technology empowers or imprisons us. We must demand transparency, clear laws, and ethical frameworks to protect our digital selves. This conversation belongs to everyone, not just tech companies. By 2030, AI twins will likely be reality. How we govern them is up to us. Our collective wisdom will shape whether AI twins become allies or threats. We are defining the next chapter of what it means to be human. The future is you, and your AI twin. This technology forces us to ask, what is identity, memory, and legacy when they can be digitized? The AI twin is a catalyst for the most important conversation of our time. We must balance immense potential with responsibility and safeguards. The story of the AI twin is the story of your choices and values. If you had a perfect digital copy, what would you want it to do? And would you trust it? The future is knocking. The choice is yours.